So this is our new Jico Infusion machine. We got it about 6 months ago. We mainly use it right now just to infuse our Big Poppy branded blunts. We infuse them with distillate. As you saw earlier, we've been doing 0.2 milligrams of distillate to 1 gram of flour. On the tablet, we can actually pick and choose where we want it inside it and how long of a draw we want. So it depends on the material, the blunts that we have at the time. So if we want, we can put it at the beginning, at the end, put it directly in the middle. It gives you all the options to do that. Mostly we just try to get it dead center. We notice when we get it too close to the tip, it'll pull on the top. Per hour, if it's running consistently, I'd say roughly 600 to 800. So in a shift, about 4,800. That's if it's running perfectly consistently and we're not changing batches. So if we're doing like one batch and we can just run it consistently straight through, we don't have any stoppages. If we have to stop in between each batch, it's a little bit of cleanup time, so it takes a little bit of production off. I like to do it personally just because the amount of time, if we're changing that, the distillate that stays in the machine will cool down. So that when you go to run it, you'll have to wait for the whole machine to get up to temp, as opposed to if you just flush it out at the beginning of the process, you don't have to like wait. So the longest part of the setup is just waiting for the distillate to heat up, which takes about 45 minutes. The setup of the actual machine itself, it's turning it on, and as soon as the oil's ready, it takes about 5 minutes. We usually, it's called I think it's a touch 7. So we run 7, we'll get the weight before the infusion, and then we'll get the weight after. And then if it comes out to 1.2 or like 1.2 to 1.24, we'll send it. And usually, so then once we get it calibrated to start running, maybe every 2 or 3 drums, we'll pick a couple out and weigh them.
Mm-hmm. And how long does that calibration process take?
Again, probably like 5-10 minutes. Everything, once the oil's up to temperature, it's pretty quick to get it on. I have actually. I know me and a few of the other leads, we've gotten some to take home, and it burnt for about 30 minutes to the point where I had to say, all right, I'm good, we'll come back to this at another time. But the automated infused pre-roll machine, what I like about it is it's very easy to operate. It takes minimal people to operate it. You could operate it for a full shift with 1 person if need be. It doesn't have a lot of fluctuation in settings. Once you set it, you can set it and forget it, as long as you calibrate it. Other than that, I just think it runs smoothly.